All the people. Prashant. Prashanta.
Yes, sir. Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
good morning. Kazal, Nitin.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Fine. Guys, so where we stopped in the last discussion?
Generators.
Generators. Did we completed the generators?
Yes, sir.
One example we completed, I think.
Yes, I hope 2 to 3 examples we discussed. Yeah.
Hmm.
Can you tell the how to control the flow of execution? I want to control the flow of execution.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you want to control the flow of execution, then we will use generator functions.
Generators.
Fine.
Yes.
How to represent the generator functions?
Star symbol.
Star symbol.
Star symbol.
Each
Yes, star
statement should start with what?
Yield.
Yield. Each statement should start with the
Cursor.
yield. Each statement should start with the yield keyword. Generator function will return what? Generator
Cursor
function
mechanism.
will
Cursor
return what?
mechanism.
Cursor mechanism. Coming to the generator function will return the cursor mechanism. How to move that cursor? We will move that cursor by using the
Cursor.
next function.
Cursor dot next.
Next
Yes.
function. Guys, explain once again. How to control the flow of execution? How to control the flow
By
of
the help
execution?
of
Generator function.
generator.
Next one. Generator functions contain what? Generator functions
Star.
contain what? Star symbol. Generator functions contain the star symbol. Each statement start with what?
Yield.
Each statement start with the yield. Next one more statement. Generator function will return what?
Cursor.
Cursor
Mechanism.
How to move the cursor? Record by record.
Dot next.
next.
Function.
Next.
Guys, done equal to false means done
If
equal
it
to
is
false
an
means
Next.
iteration.
is not complete.
Yeah, I think cursor not reached the end of the statements. Cursor
Yes.
not reached the end of the statements. Done equal to true. Done equal to true means cursor
has been completed.
reached the end of the statements. Coming to the cursor reached the end statements here. So that is the meaning of done equal to true and done equal to false. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Can I go for the another example?
Okay, sir.
Let me go for the another example. Fine. What is the last type of functions? What is the last type of functions?
Sir, there are 3 functions are remaining, sir.
3 na, still 3 na?
3 rest, optional, and IIFE.
No, already completed
Only
na.
one
IIF completed, sir.
Completed, sir. Completed.
IAF completed or not?
Invocation.
Yes, sir.
optional parameters only.
Only one thing I think as per my
Optional.
knowledge, I think only optional is pending.
Optional.
Apart
Yes,
from
yes,
the
sir.
optional, everything is completed. Yes or not?
Yes.
Everything is completed. Only optional is pending here. Apart from the optional,
Yes.
everything is completed. Yes or not? Fine. Yeah.
Yes.
Shravan, I think you went to one
Optional.
shopping mall. Listen here. Shravan, you went to one shopping mall. Coming to yourself, you went to one shopping mall. Fine. You purchased some items. Like you purchased the iPhone and Enfield bike or something you purchased. Fine. They need to do the billing or not. They need to generate the invoice or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. But while generating the invoice, they're asking some details from you. Which details? Like what is our name? What is our email? What is our mobile number?
Phone number.
What is our address? Some details they will take or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Shravan, but you are not interested to tell your mobile number. Okay, na? Even though if you are not seeing your mobile number, invoice will generate or not. Why you are thinking why Shravan, why you are thinking? For example, to generate the bill, they need some details, name, address, mobile number, email, something. You don't want to provide mobile number.
Okay.
If you are not providing mobile number, bill will generate or not, or bill will stop.
Generator.
Bill will generate. So what is mobile number? Mobile number
Optional.
is optional. Even though if you are not supplying mobile number, bill will generate or not?
Generator.
Yes.
Bill will
Not
generate.
mandatory.
Yeah, not mandatory. So bill will generate here. So that concept, what do you call? That concept we can call optional parameter. So in this case, Shravan mobile number is the optional. In this case, Shravan mobile number is the optional. So some parameters I don't want to supply. I wanted to make optional. Then that concept we can call optional parameters. Okay, now fine.
Yes.
And one more point. Not only that one here, generally if you go for the like a medical shops also. If you go for the medical shops also, if you need bill, in the bill it contain lot of information, name, doctor name, date, address, something it contain. But you don't want to tell the doctor name. Even if you are not saying doctor name, the bill they will generate the bill or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes
Yes.
or not? They will generate the bill or not? Yes.
Example,
So,
ATM, sir.
yes, it is fun. Then that concept we can call ATM. Na ATM too much strict. If you are not providing your details, it won't work. Na fine.
Means,
Then it
you
will.
want slip or don't want like that.
Hmm.
Fifth.
Yes, it is fun. Now then that concept we can call optional parameters. One more point. Optional parameters won't work in JavaScript environment. Optional parameters won't work in which environment? JavaScript environment. Optional
Okay.
parameters will work into another environment. That environment we can call TypeScript environment. So whatever the optional parameters concept is there, that optional parameters concept won't work into JavaScript environment. That optional parameters will work into one more advanced technology. That technology we can call TypeScript
TypeScript.
environment. Okay, now fine. So can I write the theoretical statements? Can I write the theoretical statements? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the concept name? The
Optional.
concept
Optional
name is the
parameters.
optional parameters. Optional parameters in functions. Yes. Can you tell the theoretical information? Can you tell the theoretical information while calling the functions? While calling the functions,
This
we
is
will make few parameters.
are
We
optional.
will make few parameters are optional. We will make few parameters are optional. Yes, one more point. One more point is the this concept introduced in which version? ES6 version. Whatever the concept we have, this concept introduced into ES6 version. This concept introduced into ES6 version. One more point. One more point is the optional parameters we will represent with the question mark symbol. With which symbol? The symbol is the question mark symbol. If the question mark present, then that option is that parameter is optional. If question mark present again, then that parameter we can call optional parameter. One more point. Optional parameters will work in which language? Will work in which language? TypeScript. Optional parameters will work in TypeScript. So optional parameters won't work in JavaScript. Fine. Guys,
Yes.
what is a TypeScript? Anyone knows that one?
Object oriented.
JavaScript advanced version. JavaScript is the old version. JavaScript advanced version is TypeScript. Guys, I think I'm saying the some understandable points. Guys, what is a TypeScript? JavaScript next level.
Advanced.
JavaScript next level technology is TypeScript. Fun. Can you tell the point again? Super set of JavaScript. JavaScript called as TypeScript. Super set of like a next level of JavaScript called as TypeScript. Fine. And one more point. One more point is the guys how to save the TypeScript files. I wanted to save the TypeScript files. We will save TypeScript files with which extension? .ts extension. We will save TypeScript files with which extension? .ts extension. So what are the TypeScript files we have? That TypeScript files we will save with .ts extension. How to save the JavaScript files?
.js,
.js extension.
.js.
How to save the TypeScript files?
.ts,
.ts extensions. We will save the TypeScript files with which extension? .ts extension. Fine. Guys, and one more pointer. One more point is the how to install TypeScript. This is the software now. Is how to install. Guys, and one more pointer before installation. TypeScript follows the oops. Coming to the TypeScript follows what? Oops. You know the oops features na?
Yes, sir.
Like oops features in the sense like
Inheritance,
inheritance, abstraction,
polymorphism,
inheritance,
overriding.
abstraction,
Overriding.
overriding. I
SSL.
think some oops. So TypeScript equivalent to your core Java. Coming to the TypeScript equivalent to your core Java. Fancy this from
Sir,
here.
polymorphism encapsulation.
Everything. TypeScript follows the oops. OOPS stands for what? Object-oriented
Oriented
programming
programming.
features. So it's just equivalent to our core Java. Fine. Next one and one more point. One more point is the TypeScript is programming language. TypeScript is what? TypeScript is programming language. Fine. Guys, will you people read all the statements? Shravan, read all the statements. What is the first statement? While calling the functions, we will make few parameters are optional. Praveen, next statement. This concept introduced into which version? Praveen, this concept introduced into ES6 version. Yeah, next one more point. How to represent optional parameter
Question mark.
with the help of what? Question mark. Next one. Optional parameters will work in which language?
TypeScript.
TypeScript. It will work in TypeScript environment. It won't work in JavaScript environment. Next one. And one more point, Shravan. Superset of like a next level of JavaScript. Superset in the sense advanced. Superset of JavaScript called as
TypeScript.
TypeScript. Next one. How to save the TypeScript files? .ts extension. Next one. TypeScript follows the what?
Oops.
Coming to the TypeScript. TypeScript follows the which features? Oops features. Coming to the TypeScript follows the oops features. Next one more point. TypeScript is which language?
Programming language.
TypeScript is which language? Programming language. Coming to the TypeScript is programming language. Very important. Fine, guys. Let me go for the another statement. We need to go for the another statement. TypeScript is programming language or something we need to place. Fine. Let me go for the another statement. Another statement is the once again. Guys, browsers. You know the browsers, na?
Yes.
Google Chrome, Mozilla, Google Chrome, Mozilla,
Internet
Internet Explorer. Like this also, so many browsers we have now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla, so many browsers we have. Yes or not? Browsers won't understand TypeScript. Never. Browser won't have the capability to understand the TypeScript. Very important here. Browsers can't understand the TypeScript. So what is the solution? We need to convert
JavaScript.
TypeScript to once again low level language. What is that language? JavaScript. Everyone guys, Nagababu.
Yes, sir.
Will browsers understands TypeScript?
No,
Nagababu.
sir.
Will
No, sir.
browsers understands TypeScript? No. So what is the solution? You need
Convert
to
to
convert
low-level
TypeScript
language.
to
You should convert the TypeScript language to
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Then browser can execute. Otherwise, browser can't execute. So conversion from TypeScript to equivalent to JavaScript. Conversion from TypeScript to equivalent to JavaScript, we can call transpilation. What do you call? Transpilation. Conversion from TypeScript to equivalent to JavaScript, we can call transpilation. Guys, Java people here, you know the compilation na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dot to Java to compilation.
.js to
.js file to how to do the compilation. dot to js to
Dot obj.
dot to java to Array
Dot
respond here.
ts.
Dot java to no.
Java.
I'm talking about the Java compilation. Dot to java to dot class file na.
Yes, sir.
You don't know core Java na. Dot to java to
Class.
dot class.
Yes.
Here
Class
also.
file. Oh.
TypeScript
Yes.
Praveen. Yes sir. Say this for next one. TypeScript to JavaScript. Then that process, what do you call? Transpilation.
Transpilation.
Transpilation. Fine. Yeah. Nagbabu tell the theoretical point. Browsers. Browsers
Can't understand.
Can't understand the
won't understand. Won't
TypeScript.
understand TypeScript. Nagbabu point. So we need to convert TypeScript to
JavaScript.
TypeScript to equivalent JavaScript. Fine. Conversion from
The conversion from
TypeScript to
JavaScript.
TypeScript to equivalent to JavaScript. Equivalent to JavaScript called as transpilation.
transpilation.
Conversion from TypeScript to equivalent to JavaScript called as transpilation. Fine, guys, how to do that one? Conversion from TypeScript to equivalent to JavaScript called as transpilation. Okay, na guys. Can I go for the installation?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
go for the installation of TypeScript? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Installation of TypeScript. So how to install the TypeScript? Try to say this one again. Fine. npm install -g TypeScript. Guys, if I run this command, TypeScript will install automatically. Just to run that command, not more than that one. How to install the TypeScript?
npm install
-g
TypeScript.
Just to run that command. If you run that command, TypeScript software will install into our laptop. Fine. One more point. npm stands for what? Anyone?
Node
npm
package
stands
manager.
for what? Say this one again.
Node package manager.
npm stands for node packaging.
Package manager.
npm stands for node packaging manager. Fine. One more point. -g stands for what?
Globally.
Global installation. Say this one. -g stands for -g stands for what do you call? Global installation. -g stands for what? -g stands for global installation. And guys, can you tell the command once again to me? How to install TypeScript? npm install -g TypeScript. npm stands for what?
Node
package manager.
Packaging manager. npm stands for node packaging manager. Guys, -g stands for what?
Global installation.
-g stands for global installation. npm stands for node packaging manager. -g stands for global installation. Yes or not? Yes. Guys, so say this one here. Here itself, can I install it here?
Yes,
Can
sir.
I open the command prompt? Yes.
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
how to install it? npm. How to install it? npm. Say
Install.
this one again. npm once again. npm install.
Hyphen G.
-g
TypeScript.
TypeScript. Yes, guys, I think the software installed successfully. What are the software we have here? The software installed successfully. Yes. After installing the software, how to know the version? How to know the version?
Hyphen version.
TypeScript
Minus
Hyphen version.
No.
To know the version, maybe TSC
Yes.
hyphen version. Yes. Which version of TypeScript installed?
4.4.
4.4.4. So this is the version of the TypeScript. Guys, please explain once again how to install TypeScript software. How to install npm install -g TypeScript. How to know whether the software installed or not? How to know? TSC, TSC
TSC
hyphen
hyphen
version.
version.
TSC hyphen version.
Sir,
Automatically.
npm download TypeScript from internet, yeah, it already present in its package.
No, it will come from the internet. So I think internet connection is required to run that one. Without internet, it won't work.
Yes, yes.
It will download automatically.
Sir, I've already discussed the how to download the npm and install
How to?
it.
How to?
Download the npm and install it. How to download and install it in our machine, you have already discussed.
Okay, guys, anyone practiced this example here? This responsive web design?
Yes, sir.
Shravan? No, na, Shravan?
Sir, did sir
Completed, na?
not completed? Code.
That the question. My question is that did you complete or not? That's my question. Not completed,
I'm
na?
doing my own, sir.
Okay, fine.
That's sir.
Guys, anyone practiced all the examples, guys? Like old examples. I think not related to this one. That is CSS3. Anyone?
Yes.
Anyone completed, guys? So CSS examples. Praveen.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ready,
sir.
na? Ready for the interview, na, Praveen? Fine. Guys,
Yes.
next one. Yes, na? Fine. Next one, guys. How to do the transpilation? Transpilation. Guys, so what is a transpilation?
We will
Converting
convert
JavaScript
JavaScript equivalent to TypeScript.
Conversion of TypeScript to JavaScript.
Conversion from TypeScript to
JavaScript.
equivalent to
Equivalent of
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Conversion from TypeScript to equivalent to JavaScript called as transpilation. So
Transpilation.
how to do the transpilation? Guys, here itself TSC demo.ts. What is the name of the TS file?
Demo.
What is the name of the TS file?
Demo.ts.
Demo.ts file. Guys, try to see this one. How to do the transpilation? TSC demo.ts file. Fine. TSC stands for what? TypeScript compiler.
TypeScript.
TSC stands for TypeScript compiler.
Compiler.
Which file you are compiling?
Demo.ts.
file. If a compilation success, which file we are getting? If compilation success, which file we are getting? Demo.js. Guys, how to convert TypeScript file to JS file? With the help of which tool?
Transpilation.
With the
TSC.
help of which tool?
TSC.
TSC tool. Guys,
TSC.
tell the command to me. TSC
Demo dot
Demo.js.
see this one. TSC example.ts.
TS.
So if a conversion success, which file we are getting? If
Example.js.
conversion which file we are getting?
.js.
One file here. Which file we are getting? Example.js file. Here itself we are getting one file here. The file is the which file? Example.js file. So how to execute example.js file? How to
Node.
execute node
Example.js.
Example.js.
Example.js. So automatically we can execute the JS file. Okay, na guys. This process, what do you call? Whatever the process. This process, what do you call? Transpilation. So how to execute the code? How to execute the JS code?
Example.js.
Node
example.js. Node example.js file. Automatically we can execute the that JS file. Okay, now guys, can I go for the example by example?
Yes.
Guys, TSC stands for what?
TypeScript.
TypeScript.
TSC stands for, coming to the TSC, TSC stands for
Compiler.
TypeScript compiler. Whatever the TSC we have, that TSC we can call TypeScript compiler. Yes, guys, see this one can. Here itself, can I go for the execution? Yes, guys, can I close everything? Yes, guys, can I create the TS file?
Yes, sir.
Can I create the TS file? Let me create the TS file. Here itself, we need to go for one TS file.
Another folder.
Yeah, let me create one file. Which file we need to create?
TypeScript.
File is the which file? The file is the optional.ts file. Which TS file we are creating? Optional.ts file. I'm not creating the JS file, guys. I'm not creating the JS file. I'm creating the TS file. Fine. Guys, say this one can. Shravan, how to create the function one?
Create a separate folder, sir.
Leave it here, leave it here. Function one. Function one. Shravan, function one contain number of arguments.
Yes.
Argument one. Shravan, You
Two.
wanted to make argument 1 optional. Even
Okay.
though if you didn't supply argument 1, nothing will happen.
Yes.
Okay, na? So how to make optional?
Question mark.
Question mark.
Question mark.
Question mark.
Question mark. And argument 1 data type you wanted to mention. Which data type? String.
String.
Not only string, anything, either string,
Anything.
either
Integer.
string or number,
Number.
number or boolean, boolean. Next one is the boolean. Next one is the symbol,
Begin.
symbol, begin, like this also any number of things. So
Hmm.
argument 1 data type is string. String. Next one. Argument 2. How to make argument 2 optional?
Question mark.
Make
Mark.
argument 2 optional. Question mark na? Question
Yes.
mark, question mark, colon, data type.
Colon string. Data.
Data type, comma, argument 3, question mark, colon, data type. Guys, what is the meaning, Nagbabu? What is the meaning? While
Optional.
calling the function 1, while
Yes.
calling the function 1, argument 1, argument 2, argument 3 are optional. Nagababu,
Yes.
okay na?
Sir. Okay, sir.
While calling the function 1, argument 1, argument 2, argument 3 are optional.
Optional.
It's not mandatory to supply argument 1, argument 2, argument 3. Fine. Guys, so how to create the function 1? Guys,
Function.
how to create
Function
the
one.
function 1?
Function one.
Function 1. Function 1. Guys, I try to say this one. Here itself. Argument 1. Argument 1. Say this one.
Question mark.
Argument 1, question mark, colon, string. So argument 1 is optional. No need to supply the argument 1. If you want to supply the argument 1, supply the argument 1. If you don't want to supply the argument 1, don't supply the argument 1. Guys, argument 2, question mark, colon, string. Argument 2 also optional. Guys, argument 3, question mark, colon, string. Argument 3 also optional. Guys, this is the function 1.
Yes.
Yes, sir, madam. Function 1 won't return anything. It don't want to return anything. So if it don't want to return anything, at that time we need to go for the void. Guys,
Okay.
void in the sense function 1 won't return anything. It don't want to
Okay.
return anything. Then that one, what do you call? Then that one we can call the void. Guys,
Void.
how to print it? Guys, console
Dot log of function
argument 1 comma, argument 1
Argument
comma,
one,
argument 2
argument
comma,
two.
argument 3. Guys, can I return argument 1, argument 2 to argument 3? No, don't return,
No.
because the reason is the
Void.
void in the sense it won't return anything. Guys, next one. Can I call the function 1?
Yes.
Can I call the function 1? Yes. But while calling the function 1, do I need to supply argument 1, argument 2 to argument 3?
No.
No.
No need to supply. While calling the function 1, no need to supply the argument 1, argument 2, argument 3.
These are the
The reason is
Optional
argument
parameter.
1,
The arguments are
argument 2,
optional.
argument 3 are optional. The reason is argument 1, argument 2, argument 3 are optional. No need to supply the argument 1, argument 2, argument 3.
Sir,
Okay,
can we use both?
Why not say this one? Guys, is it a TS file?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it a TS file?
Yes.
Can I convert TS file to JS file?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How to convert? TSC
Space
optional dot
Yes.
TSC optional dot TS. Guys, so check the left side. Here itself you need to check the left side. Check the left side, guys. Yes, guys, which
Yes,
JS
sir.
file created?
Optional.js.
JS file
has been created.
JS file
Optional
automatically,
dot yes.
yeah, JS file automatically created or not? JS file
Yes.
automatically created here. So how to execute the JS file?
Node space
optional
optional.
JS. Did you supply argument 1, argument 2 to argument 3?
No.
No.
So if you didn't supply, what are the default values?
Undefined.
Undefined. So these are the default values. For next one, say this one again. Function 1 of, say this one again. Hello 1. Hello 1 stored into where? Hello 1 stored into where?
Argument one.
Hello 1 comma, undefined comma, hello 1 comma, undefined comma, undefined. Yes or not? So how to execute here? TSC optional dot
Optional
dot
TSC
JS.
optional dot TS
Node.
TSC optional dot TS. Next one, node optional dot JS. So what is the output we are getting? We are getting the
Hello
output
one.
here. The output is the hello one undefined. Say this one again. Hello one undefined undefined. So this is the output we are getting now. Hello one
Sir,
undefined undefined.
Yes.
This is
why
the
we
output we are getting
sir,
here.
why
Why
we
is
use the TypeScript,
function
sir?
one of, because this feature not there with the JavaScript. Why, in the sense this option not provided with the JavaScript people. This facility
Okay.
available into TypeScript environment only. Guys, TSC, see this one
And
again.
and it
Undefined
support
comma,
the
yeah,
framework,
undefined comma, undefined comma, yes, sir. Undefined comma, hello 3. Guys, answer. Undefined comma,
Undefined comma,
undefined comma,
undefined comma, hello 3.
undefined, hello 3.
Hello 3.
Praveen,
Hello
answer.
3.
Undefined comma, Praveen.
Undefined,
Undefined comma,
undefined,
Hello
hello
3.
3, sir.
Hello 3.
TSC, TSC,
Optional dot JS.
optional dot TS,
Yes.
TSC,
Node.
optional dot TS.
No,
Next one,
no,
node, optional dot
dot
JSON,
JS.
undefined, hello 3,
Hello 3.
undefined, hello 3. So this is the output we are getting. Guys, function one of null comma, null comma, null comma, null. Function one of null comma, null comma, null. Answer.
Null comma,
Null comma, null comma,
null.
null. Answer, guys. TSC, optional dot TS, TSC, optional dot TS, node,
Node.
optional dot
Node,
JS.
Node
So
optional
what
test.
is the output we are getting? Null,
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 null, null. Guys, getting the awareness regarding the basic example.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys, so let me go for another example. We need to go for another example. Simply, we need to go for another example. Guys, so recently or yesterday, I hope I didn't verify the thing here, but once again, one person here, one person. Guys, so these are the interview questions here. Recently, they asked. Like, check this one. How many questions you know? Please tell me here.
10 questions.
Principles of Redux related to which language?
React.js.
React.js.
Python.
React.js.
React.js.
React.js. Python won't contain the Redux. Next one. Package.log.json.log file available into Angular and React. Leave it. Guys, give some examples of ES6 functions. Can you tell the example for the ES6 functions?
Optional
Today what
parameters.
we are discussing?
Optional parameters.
Optional parameters. One of the example for that one. Okay, na? Next one more point. Not only that one, guys, arrow functions are there now.
Yes, sir.
Arrow function
Fat
also.
arrow.
Fat
No,
arrow function.
arrow functions also related to ES6 one.
Yes,
Arrow
yes.
functions. And
CSS
Okay.
position.
what is the
Awesome.
what is the sixth one? What is the
Fat
fat
arrow
arrow function? What is the fat arrow function? What is the use of Redux related
Yes, sir.
to what?
React.js.
Related to React.js.
React.js.
Controlled and controlled components related to
React.js.
React.js. Fat arrow functions related to ES6.
JavaScript.
Guys,
Yes.
Shankar, I think
Yes, sir.
Saura, guys, you people are here. While discussing the CSS positions, you people feel like a torture here, like coming to you people here, torture like anything, like a position equal to relative, position equal to absolute, static. You
Yes.
people feel like
Yes.
torture. I think you are feeling like, sir, what is this nonsense? You may feel like that, but 100% question in the interview panel, compulsory
Yes, sir.
question. CSS positions, Praveen, relative position, absolute position. Praveen, have you heard about it now? Fixed position, sticky position, sticky, static
Yes,
position,
sir.
some positions.
Static.
Yeah, these positions are the compulsory positions. Next one, guys, is a JavaScript synchronous or asynchronous? Leave it here. This
Yes.
one is a
Synchronous.
JavaScript synchronous. What
Synchronous.
is the, guys? At the beginning, I told you
Step by step.
the code will execute line by line. The code will execute line by line. Then that execution we can call synchronous execution. Guys, recently here, maybe October 26th, in a sense, maybe 2 days back now. 2
Yes,
days
sir.
back. Guys, with the experience of 3 years of experience here, for the 3 years of experience that they ask this question. Shankar, you may say, sir, these questions are the simple questions. Yes, I know that one. Simple questions here, but chances are there.
Sometimes.
Not sometime, if this fellow go to the another interview, maybe he uploaded a resume, he will go to the another interview. In that another interview, out of these 10 questions, at least 2 to 3 questions are the common questions. At least, for example, I hope still he didn't get the feedback. Maybe he will get the feedback. If he succeeded, well and good. If he not succeeded, he will go to the another interview within 2 to 3 days of time. Then
Okay.
in that interview, just remember here, he will share the questions once again. Out of these 10 questions, minimum 10 questions will match with the second interview. Out of that questions, what's the question you can expect here? The question is the give some examples which is related to ESS6 functions, like optional parameters, fat arrow functions, default parameters. Default parameters also related to that one.
Yes,
Arrow
Next one,
functions.
arrow functions. At least here, 2 to 3 questions will match here. Remember here,
Test
guys, remember
parameter.
rest parameters. These are all
And
related
at
to
3 year experience, they will ask also write a
Huh?
code, I think.
Which one?
Write a code.
Mm.
They may be asked write a code. Sir.
Compulsory, they will give the pen and paper to you. They will give the pen and paper to you. They will ask you, please write the code also. So something, and they will ask, definitely they will ask this kind of question. Remember that one here, guys, I'm justifying my role, but you people need to justify your role, guys. For example, my guidance to you is after completing the class, just to do the little bit R&D. For example, today I completed the optional parameters. Go to the Google, download the interview panel questions. Still, sir, did sir missed anything? Just try to grab the more and more points. Try to grab the more and more points. Then that is the way to increase the our knowledge. Remember that one. Shankar, coming to yourself also, you sent some WhatsApp messages to me now. That thing already covered into class, but by seeing that one, then we can remember a long time. You sent like a event binding, like attribute binding, something you sent now. That thing already we done with the class, like attribute binding directive, something you sent it to me. Already we done, but by seeing that one, then we can remember long time. Guys, see this one here itself. Guys, can I go for another example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to create the function one, function one, function one. It will return, it won't return anything.
Okay.
This function won't return anything. So what you wanted to place void. It won't return anything. Then that one we can call void. Say this function. Argument one is optional. When argument 2 is normal parameter. See this one. What is argument 1? Argument 1 is optional now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Optional.
sir.
So no need to supply argument 1. Argument 2 is regular parameter now. Compulsory. Argument 2 is the compulsory parameter. Guys, is it showing error?
Sir, argument 2.
Listen here. Is it showing error? Yes,
Yes,
it is
sir.
showing error.
Argument yes.
So
Optional
Yes.
parameter must
yeah,
be second
say this
parameter.
one here. Can I change the order here? Let me
Yeah.
change the order.
Argument
Guys,
Optional must
Yes, yes.
any error now? Any
No,
error
sir.
now? No.
No.
Optional parameter should
Yes.
have second priority. Optional parameter should have the second priority compared with the regular parameter. See this one. Regular parameter have first priority. Optional parameter have second priority. See this one here. So guys, what is argument 2? Argument 2 is regular parameter, compulsory parameter. Argument 1 is optional. Optional always should be last or not?
Yes.
Respond here. Optional always should be last
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Optional
Yes, sir.
always should be last. Fine. Yeah. Prevent, tell me how to print it. Console dot
Console dot log off.
argument
ERG1,
argument
comma.
2 comma
Two.
argument 2
Argument
comma
one.
argument 1. Previn, can I call it? Previn, can I call it
Function
1?
Function 1.
Previn, is argument 2 mandatory? Yes.
Yes.
It's mandatory.
Yes.
Compulsory you need to pass because this is not optional. This is not optional, yes or not? So compulsory you need
Yes.
to pass. Sandeep, how to call the function 1?
Function
Function 1. Yes, sir. Do I need to supply argument 2? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Compulsory.
It is compulsory.
We need to supply argument 2. Shravan, did you supply argument 2 here?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, na, Shankar?
Yes,
Did you supply? I'm asking, did you supply here? No, na?
Yeah.
No.
No,
So,
sir.
what is the error? What is the error we are getting?
An argument for argument was not
expected.
provided.
Expected 1 to 2 arguments, but got 0.
Oh.
What is the error we are getting? Expected
Expected 1 to 2
arguments, but got what? 0. Guys, is this parameter mandatory? Yes.
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 But did you supply here? No.
No.
So what is the error? Expected
Expected 1 to 2
1
arguments.
to 2 arguments, but got how many arguments?
0.
Zero. Guys, say this one. Okay. One more thing. One more thing is the guys function 1. Function 1 of guys hello 1. Hello 1 stored into where?
Argument 2.
Argument 2. What is argument 1?
Argument 1 is
Optional parameter.
optional.
Undefined.
Optional parameter.
Undefined here.
Undefined.
Undefined. Say this one can. Hello 1 undefined.
Undefined.
Hello 1
Yes.
undefined. How to execute?
TSC.
TSC optional dot TS.
Yes.
TSC optional dot TS. Node
Node
optional dot JS.
JS.
Hello 1 undefined. Hello 1 undefined. Guys, see this one again. Here itself. Function 1 of hello 1 comma. Function 1 of hello 1 comma. Next one is the hello 2. Function 1 of hello 1 comma hello 2. Guys, hello 1 stored into
Argument
argument 1.
2.
Hello 2 stored into
Argument 1.
argument 1. How to execute? Nagbabu, how to execute?
TSC.
TSC
optional dot
TS.
TS.
Node optional
Node
dot JS.
optional dot
Node
JS.
optional dot JS. Hello 1 comma.
Hello.
Hello 2.
Hello 1 comma hello 2. Now see this one here. Now here we are getting the output here. The output is the hello 1 comma hello 2. Guys, see this one here. Function 1 of what you wanted to pass. Undefined comma undefined. Answer.
Yes.
Undefined comma
Undefined,
undefined.
undefined.
Undefined
this
comma
one can.
undefined.
Yes, undefined comma undefined. Now we will get the answer. The answer is the which answer we are getting? Undefined comma undefined comma undefined. Now we will get the answer. The answer is the undefined comma undefined. Guys, so see this one again. Function 1 of null comma null. Function 1 of null comma null. Yes, guys, so what is the answer?
Null comma
Null
null.
comma null.
Now we will get the answer. The answer is the null comma null. Yes, guys, okay now. Now we got the
Okay,
answer again. The answer is the what is the answer we are getting? Null comma null. Okay now. Now we are able to see the answer. The answer is the what is the answer we are able to see? Null comma null. Okay now, Praveen.
Okay, sir.
Praveen, can you go
Okay,
for
sir.
another example?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Praveen, early morning, Praveen. Back up now,
Yes,
Praveen.
sir.
Yes, guys, say this one. Shravan, can you go for the another example? Shravan, another example. Function, function
Function 1.
function which one? Function 1. Fun. Guys, say this one again. Function 1. Guys, argument 1. What is argument 1? Is it a regular parameter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Argument 2. Is it a optional parameter?
Optional parameter. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this order correct?
No, sir.
Yes.
No.
What? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Correct.
Order is
What? No.
correct.
Why here, Praveen? Is this order correct? Yes, order
Yes,
is
sir.
correct.
Correct.
Argument 1 is regular parameter.
Yeah.
Argument 2 is
Optional parameter.
Guys, say this one. Comma. Think and tell me the answer. Argument 3. Argument 3 string equal to argument 3
No.
string equal to hello 3. Argument 3
Order is
string
not
equal to
correct.
say this one. Argument 3 string equal to hello 3. Guys, next one. Dot argument 4. Dot argument
Spread
4
parameter.
colon string array colon 1 string array colon what you wanted to place wider. Guys,
Yes.
what is argument 1 here?
Argument 1 is
regular
normal.
parameter.
Regular parameter.
Sir, is this parameter mandatory while calling the function?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Mandatory.
Guys, argument 1 is mandatory while calling the function. Guys, what is the
Yes.
argument 2?
Optional parameter.
Parameter.
No need to supply argument 2 because
Yes, no
argument
need to
2 is
supply.
optional. Guys, what is argument 3?
Default parameter.
Normal.
Default parameter. Guys, what is argument 4?
Rest parameter.
Rest
Rest parameter. Guys, is this order correct?
Yes.
Why you
Yes.
told correct here? Optional parameter, rest parameter
Rest
always should
always
be
last.
Always last place.
last. Guys, next one. Optional parameter have second priority. Second priority comparative to regular
Regular
parameter.
parameter.
Comparative
Yes.
to regular parameter. Guys, tell the arguments once again. Yeah, Nag Babu, how to pass the regular parameter? How to pass
Argument
the
1.
regular parameter? OP1. OP1 colon, what is the data type?
String.
String. Guys, is it mandatory to supply only string?
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I supply the number?
Yeah.
Yes,
Why
sir.
not?
Anything.
Guys,
Yes.
can I supply the Boolean?
Boolean. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes.
I want to supply any data, not only number, not only string, not only Boolean. So if you want to supply at that time, we need to go for the any data type. So guys, don't go for the string or number Boolean here. If I pass the string, which data I need to supply?
String.
If I pass the number, which data I can supply?
Only number.
Number.
Guys, if I pass the any, which data I can supply?
Any type of
Any
data.
data, like a string, a number, Boolean, array, object, anything we can pass. No need to worry. So if I supply the any here, we can supply any data. No need to worry here. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, guys, next one. See this one here. Option 2. Option 2 colon any equal to hello to. Guys, what is option 2?
Default
What is option
parameter.
2? Default.
Default parameter.
This concept also introduced into which version?
Yes, 6.
Yes, 6. Guys, say this one here. Option 3. Option 3 question mark colon any. What is option 3?
Optional
Optional
parameter.
parameter.
Guys, first priority goes to
Regular.
regular parameter.
Regular parameter.
Second importance goes to optional
Default.
parameter.
Optional
Optional
parameter.
parameter.
Leave it. I think I'm talking about the order here. I think some people they are saying optional or default. Leave it. But this person come first na.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
person come later na.
Yes.
Later. But in between them, so many things are there. Just ignore it. Fine. Next one, guys. Say this one. Yeah. One more point. Guys. Dot. Option 4. Option 4 colon any array. Colon any array. Yes or not? Guys. Is this
Yes.
order correct? Yes. Reason
Yes.
is
Yes. Yes.
first parameter always
place
should
last.
be
Last.
Last place.
first parameter always should be last. Next one, see this one here. Optional have second priority comparative to regular. So, but it came to the second priority level now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First priority goes to the
Regular parameter.
regular, and the second priority goes to the optional. So,
Optional.
so this is correct here. Yes or not? This is correct. Next one, guys, and one more point. One more point is the guys. Can I guys? What is the return time?
Any.
Void.
Wide.
Wide.
Don't place
No
the
return
wide
time.
here. Don't place the wide here. Just to place the any. Guys, blindly go for the any area. Any in the sense it will allow everything. It will
Okay.
allow everything here. So no need to worry. That is also one of the data type here. Fine. See this one here and here itself. Yeah. After prop 3. Here itself na which parameter you wanted to create? Shankar? Which parameter?
Regular
Ah.
parameter.
It is
Tell me
spread.
here. Optional 5 question mark string na
Okay. Question mark.
error na
It
error
will
na
give error, sir. Yes, sir.
why error? First priority should goes to regular, second
Normal
parameter
parameter.
goes to normal parameter. Fine. Yeah, guys, just to do the R&D regarding that one, guys. Guys, can I print everything?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to print?
Console dot
How to
log.
print?
Console.log.
Console.log of console.log of option 1.
OP1.
Option 1 comma option 2 comma
Option 2
option 2
comma.
comma
Option 3.
option 3 option 3 comma next one is the
Option 4.
option 4. Console.log of option 1 option 2
Option 2.
option 3 next one is the option 4. Yeah, and everything console.log of option 1 option 2 option 3 and option 4. Guys, say this one here. While calling the function 1 is option 1 mandatory? Guys, while calling the function 1
Yes,
is option
yes.
1 mandatory?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But
Obviously.
did you supply?
No.
No.
But
No.
what is the error we are getting?
Expected at least one argument, but got 0.
Expected at least one argument, but got what? 0.
0.
So this is the error we are getting. Guys, say this one here. Function 1 of hello 1. Praveen, hello 1 stored into where?
Option
Option 1.
Option 1. Option 2 is what?
Hello.
Hello 2. Option 3 is what?
undefined.
Undefined.
No, no.
Undefined. Option
Yes,
4 is
undefined.
what? Option 4 is what?
Undefined.
Zero
Option
position.
Array.
Rank array with
Empty
zero
array.
position.
Empty array.
empty array. Guys, what is option 1?
Okay.
Hello
Hello
one.
1. What is option 2?
Hello.
Hello 2. What is option 3?
Undefined.
Undefined.
What is option 4?
Empty array.
Empty array. Guys, how to execute? TSC
TSC optional dot.
optional dot TS. TS. Next one.
Node.
Node optional dot
dot
JS. Hello 1, hello 2, undefined empty array. Hello 1, hello 2, undefined empty array. So this is the output we are getting now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the output we are getting. Guys, next one. After completing that output, next one is the we need to go for the function one. Function one of say this one can hello one comma, hello one comma, hello two comma, hello two comma, next one, hello two comma, next one is the hello three comma, hello three comma, next one is the hello four. Hello four. So internally what happened?
Hello one
Hello one stored
So
into
then option
Put
one.
into
one.
option 1.
hello two
hello
stored
to
into
store into optional
optional two.
Option 2.
Hello three stored into
Option three.
option three.
Option
Hello four
3.
stored into
array of
Zero.
index
Zero.
position 0.
0th
zeroth
position.
position. Zeroth position. Yes. Now we got the answer. Hello one, hello one, hello two, hello three, hello four. Na
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
hello one, hello two, hello three, hello four. Get zeroth position. Next one, guys. Say this one again. And here itself. Here itself. Let me go for the one more thing. Function one of undefined comma, undefined comma, undefined comma, undefined. Yes, guys. Undefined comma,
Yes.
undefined comma, undefined.
Mm.
Undefined.
Undefined hello to
Undefined.
undefined.
Undefined hello
Hello
to
to
undefined
Undefined
array
hello
of
to
index
undefined,
position
undefined
0
is 0th
undefined.
position.
Zeroth position is the
Undefined.
undefined. Undefined.
Undefined.
Yes.
Undefined. Hello to. Yeah.
Next one, guys. And here itself. Function one of we need to go for the function one. Function one of null comma, null comma, null comma, null comma, null, null comma, null comma, null. Answer.
Null comma
Null
null.
comma
Null comma null comma null.
null
Null is the 0th
array
position.
position null.
Zeroth position is the null.
Null.
Yes. Now we got the answer. Null, 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 and zeroth
Yes.
position is the null. Okay, na? Yes, guys.
Null is
this-
object, sir.
null is the object. Guys, see this one here. So this is the whole story which is related to optional parameters and functions. Okay, na?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Guys, will you people practice this one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, how to commit the code? Git and
And add
dot.
dot.
Guys, how to commit it? Git
Git commit minus
hyphen
m.
m hyphen m hyphen
Optional
m
parameter.
functions khatam hai. Fine. Next one. How to push it? How to push it again?
Yeah, you know Hindi, sir.
Yes, git push. Okay, na? Fine. So automatically we're able to push the code. Fine. Guys, tomorrow I will start the new chapter to you. Guys, Saturday, guys. Saturday, I'm planning one workshop on the JSON server. Saturday. So Saturday I will tell you like regarding the JSON. And guys, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will plan to take some arrays concept because already functions are over now. If you check the
Yes.
syllabus also, if you check the syllabus
Yes,
also,
sir.
over. Now today we completed the functions topic. So functions are over. Next one, arrays. Can I go for the arrays?
Mm.
Arrays. Next one is the JSON. So I think I'm thinking here, success or failure, we don't know. I'm thinking here. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will take the arrays. On Saturday session, I need to take the JSON. Then anyhow, I think I'm thinking like whether we can complete or not, we need to do say. Guys, tomorrow here, because 10 o'clock batch will close today, na? 10 o'clock batch will
Yes,
close
sir.
today.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
tomorrow, 6 o'clock,
JavaScript rule.
6 o'clock, you need to join the session from tomorrow onwards. 10 o'clock
Mm.
also you need to join the session. 2 sessions you people need to join from tomorrow. 10
On the
morning
JavaScript.
on the JavaScript only. JavaScript only you people need to join. Okay, na? Fine. Anyhow, we are tomorrow as usual timing just to join the 6 o'clock. Then I will tell you. Then I will tell you when you need to join the 10 o'clock. I will tell you. Okay, na? Fine. Thank you guys.
10 o'clock, same link, na? 10 o'clock.
Same link, same. I don't want to change the link. Same link. Okay, na?
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Or today 10 a.m. class is not, sir.
There. Today also there.
Okay.
Today no JavaScript class. 10 o'clock no JavaScript class.
Okay.
Today
Tomorrow,
no
from tomorrow.
JavaScript class at 10 a.m. Tomorrow we have the JavaScript class.
Okay.
Okay, na? Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Thank you guys. Bye.
Thank you, sir.